This question here, you asked for the area of a parallelogram. Now the thing to remember parallelogram is it's just based by height. It's not the slant height, it's the vertical height. So this one is 8 by 11, which is 88 centimeters squared. The next one is going to be 9 by 16, which gets you 144 centimeters squared. So it's just to make sure, don't use the slant height, use the vertical height only, okay? Now that we have that done, we're going to move on to, I think it's 18 and... do I have to get the perimeter of the full thing? Is that part of the question?
Yeah.
Okay guys, to get the perimeter, what we do next is, it's basically going to be 11 plus 11 plus another 11 plus another 11. Perimeter is going to be 44 centimeters. And this one here guys, the perimeter is going to be 10 plus 16 plus another 10 and another 16. And what that's going to amount to is 52 centimeters. So you just add it like you're doing a lap. Okay? Happy enough? Okay. The next one is slightly more difficult because it gives you the area. Okay? Area equals base by height. Okay? So base by height is going to be 8 by h, and that equals 48. H therefore equals 6. Is that right? Yeah. Now, the next one after that is number 21. And 21 requires you to do Pythagoras' theorem to find out what h is. So you're going to get 41 squared equals 9 squared plus h squared. 41 squared 1681 equals 81 plus h squared. Take away your 81 and what happens? Sorry? 1600 equals h squared. H therefore equals 40. Okay? Alright guys. Now, to find the perimeter of this, what we know is it's going to be 41, it's going to be 50 plus 41 plus another 50 plus another 41. It's going to be 82 plus 100, and that will get me 182 centimeters. Is that right?
The area as well.
And what's the area as well?
40.
And the area is going to be the base by the height, which is going to be 40 times 50, and that gets us 2000 centimeters squared. Okay. This one here, okay, it's basically you're looking for the area of a path. You're looking for the area of the shaded purple region. It's a parallelogram. The reason why I know it's a parallelogram is these two are parallel. These two are parallel. So what I'm going to do first and foremost is do Pythagoras' theorem to find out what x is using this right angle triangle. X squared is going to equal 8 squared plus 6 squared. X squared is going to equal 100. X therefore is going to equal 10. It's a length of 10. This means that the base of this parallelogram is 10 and the height of the parallelogram is 4. So area equals base times height, which is going to be 10 times 4. The area of this is going to be 40 meters squared. So that's our path done. Find the area of the crosswalk. Number 26 says the area of AB, C, D, E. The area of the full thing is 120 centimeters. AC is perpendicular to BC, which means it's all right angles. It's a rectangle. That basically means it's a rectangle and a right angle triangle. And it goes AE equals 2 times BC, which is 12. AE is 12. This means that BC is 6, and that's 12 there. Okay? Okay? So, calculate AC. So what we have to do is we have to calculate AC. Okay? Now what I'm going to do with AC is I'm going to call it X. Call AC X. So what you're actually getting is two things. You're going to get the length of a right angle triangle, Okay, and then you're also going to get the area of the rectangle as well, which is 12 by x. The area of the rectangle is 12x because it's length multiplied by width. The area of the right angled triangle is a half base by height, which is going to be a half 6 times. It's going to be a half 6 times x, which is 3x. Add them both together. So the area of the triangle plus the area of the rectangle is 15x. 15x has to be equal to 120. Therefore, x equals 120 divided by 15, which is 8.
No.
AC is equal to 8.
Not really what you do.
Sorry?